Welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble with voice calls on Roblox after the recent update, you're not alone. Let's walk through some simple steps to get those calls working again. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for smooth communication in games. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or data and that the signal is strong. Next, try closing the Roblox app completely and then reopening it. Sometimes, a quick restart of the app can resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the problem. If that doesn't work, log out of your Roblox account on the desktop and log back in. This refresh can help reset any issues with your account that may be interfering with voice calls. If you're still having trouble, sometimes the old-fashioned solution is the best: restart your device. Turn it off, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear any lingering processes that may be affecting your ability to make calls. Another tip is to try connecting to a different network. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, or vice versa. Sometimes, network-specific issues can impact your call functionality. Lastly, if you've gone through all these steps and the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support. They can provide specific assistance tailored to your issue. That's it for today. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any calling problems you're experiencing on Roblox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates.